Good morning from a freezing cold Stirling train station here in Scotland. So today we're trying out LNER on the first class Azuma train from here in Stirling to Edinburgh. Now, a few things about the Azuma. It's not just called the Azuma because it sounds nice. It's a Japanese word. It means east. The reason why it's used is because these trains travel up from London up to Scotland along the East Coast Main Line. Now, a few other things about this train. It's not just called the bullet train for a marketing trick. It was built by a Japanese company called Hitachi, and they were behind building the iconic Japanese bullet train, the Shinkansen. So they've incorporated some of that bullet train technology into this train, such as the pointy nose that you'll see, the tilting mechanisms, advanced safety features, but also it's got a cool feature for up here in the Scottish Highlands. It's got a thing called bi-mode, which means it can switch from electric to diesel when it's on parts of the line where there's not any electricity. So it's definitely a very well engineered train. Right, that's enough yapping about now. Let's get on this train, although it's pretty late. Now, one thing to say is that every station that LNER stops at has these signs on the platform. So basically you stand at that sign and that's roughly where your coach will be. So today I'm in coach L, one of the ones at the front. But yeah, it's 10:20, train's delayed. It's supposed to come at 10:33, but we'll just see. Right, platform is picking up now, you can see behind me. Getting pretty busy. Train's delayed now to 10:55, so it's supposed to come at 10:33. So I just had a look on the website. If it's 30 minutes or more delayed, you can get either a 50% refund or 100% refund. So that'd be quite good. Free first class. And here it comes, our first class bullet train.
Right, here it is. This is a luxury train to Edinburgh.
Right, I'm in coach L, seat 5, window. This one here.
I'll get there we go.
Okay.
Is it afternoon?
I don't know. Oh, I hear you.
Right.
Oh, that's a good here.
Alright.
Oh, here we go, this is nice. So this is what we're rolling with here. So it looks like I'm in a seat of 2 here with a nice big tray table there. That's perfect space if you're getting some work done here. Fantastic. First impressions, pretty nice. Seats are nice and comfy. Plug down there. That's your seat recline, and then obviously this big tray table there. And then of course if you've got big luggage, you've got some luggage space. Right, that's us away now. Now there should be a food and drink service coming along pretty soon. But yeah, it's really smooth, it's really spacious, really comfy, and it's quite quiet as well. So definitely, if you're getting some work done, if you're going all the way down to London, this train is from Inverness to London. So if you're getting all the way down there, you can get the laptop out and get some work done. But we'll wait to see what happens with the food. Thank you very much. Seatbelt? No, just black, please. Right, thank you.
No problem at all.
Cheers. Nice coffee there. Bottle of water. Looks quite hot, but here we go. I've just burnt myself, but that's very civilised, isn't it? Just need something to eat now. I'd also mention that there is free Wi-Fi on board as well, so you can connect to that. Got a stem ginger oat crumble and a baked treats raspberry and white chocolate shortbread. Let's have a look at this. So it looks like we've got a breakfast and brunch and a lunch and an evening menu. So we're probably in the brunch part of the day. Excuse me, is there a food service that comes round?
It'll be around after Edinburgh.
After Edinburgh. Food service comes after Edinburgh, and I'm getting off at Edinburgh. Well, that's disappointing. said, this train goes all the way down to London King's Cross. This one is one a day. It's called the Highland Chieftain, so it goes all the way from the top Inverness down south to London. I think it's like 4 or 5 hours or something like that. But yeah, it stops at some stuff like Aviemore, Glen Eagles, and then Stirling, and then it comes down to Falkirk and stuff, Haymarket, and then into Edinburgh before it heads down to places like Newcastle, York, and all that. And it'll head down to London King's Cross. But yeah.
Hello, and welcome on board this LNER.
Just disappointed about the food. I was actually getting hungry, but I'll have to get something to
The
Edinburgh.
next
On this train there's 9 coaches in total, so out of the 9 there's 3 of them that are first class, and they're in a 2-1 configuration, so I'm in a 2, the other side's a 1, and you can either get a table of 4 or you can get a single one on the aisle, or you can get ones like this where it's the 2 seats with a table, so very good. Despite the food, I have to say I'm actually really enjoying this. It's nice coffee, really. It's quite quiet apart from me yapping away. People in the carriage, is that a Scotsman yapping away his camera? But yeah, we'll get off at Edinburgh. I'm going to try and get into the lounge and see if I can give you a tour around. So final thoughts as we arrive into Edinburgh here. It's a very comfy, spacious cabin. It's great for working. There's lots of there's Wi-Fi, lots of space. Great big tray table here. There's very friendly staff. The staff are really good, and there's great leg room, seat reclines. There's a coat hook up there, so like everything you could ask for. So all round great experience. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I think it's one of the best in the UK. Although still yet to try out some of the other ones like Avanti and some of the other budget options like Limo takes you down to London as well. So just arriving into Edinburgh now. Right, this is us. Thanks very much.
Thank you, no,
This is here.
Welcome to Edinburgh Waverley. Well, that was the LNER first class on the bullet train, the Azuma. Definitely a great experience, although fairly short journey. I would recommend, well, the food comes after Edinburgh, the staff member told me, so bear that in mind if you're coming from, well, they probably had a food service earlier on from Stirling, sorry, Inverness, but yeah. Right, I'm going to try my luck with the lounge. I'm not sure if they'll let me in because I've not got an onward first class ticket, but we'll see what happens. I'm in a bit of a rush though. I've got a train home in less than 10 minutes, so I'm gonna have to try and walk around that. Right, let's do it. Wow, station's busy at this time in the morning, so we've got lots of different trains here, but let's try the luck with the lounge. Right, I'm gonna have to run here, guys. Train's in less than 5 minutes, so I'm gonna have to try and get into this lounge quick. Right, here we go. Hiya. Listen, I've just come off one of the LNER first class.
Yeah.
So I know that I can't use the lounge because I need to be on the next train on the first class. But I'm making a video for the YouTube.
You can come in if you just travelled first class LNER
Can you?
just now. Yeah, so you can get an hour.
Oh really?
Yeah, yeah,
right,
that's okay.
Right, okay. Do you want to take
No, I just need to have a look, but that's fine.
Right, thank you. Guys, what about that? That's a result. Got some seats and stuff here. This is pretty nice. Well, this is nice, but I've got no time to stick around here. I've got a train to catch. Thanks very much. Let's go. 43, I've got 2 minutes. Platform 10, let's go. Right guys, I've missed it. Couldn't find the platform. It was hidden. That's fine. That lady said I've got an hour in this lounge, so I'll just wait to the next one. Now if you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts in the comments. What did you think of the first class on the bullet train? With that, I'll see you in the next one.